India is the third largest startup ecosystem in the world. Almost 2 lakh registered startup billions in funding, yet 37 startups are shutting down every single day. In 2025 alone, over 11,000 startups closed. That's a 30% jump from the year before. So the real question is why? Why are so many brilliant founders with great ideas and real ambition failing before they even get started? Today we break it all down with real data, real stories and real lessons. Let's start with the numbers because they are brutal. India has nearly 2 lakh DPPIT registered startups as of 2025, but 90% of them fail within the first 5 years. Only 8% survive beyond a decade. Compare that globally, USA has 80% failure rate, UK 60% failure rate, and India's 90% failure rate. We are among the hardest placed in the world to survive as a startup. From 2023 to 2025, over 39,860 startups were shut down in India. And here the scariest part, in 2025, 7 startups were dying in their first year of starting. In 2024, it was just 1. The startups are failing faster than ever before, so what is killing them? Let's go reason by reason. The number one killer, building a product nobody asked for. According to CB Insight and Necosim data, 42% of startups fail due to no market need. That's nearly half of all failures from one mistake. India founder love copying Western model like Uber for X, DoorDash for Y. But India is not Silicon Valley. It has price-sensitive customer broken infrastructure and hyper-local problems that need hyper-local solutions. Remember Teeny Owl, the food delivery app that burned crores, expanding to 10 cities before validating if people even wanted it. Or Local Banya, the online grocery startup that collapsed under its own logistic weight. The lesson: validate before you build. Talk to 50 real customers, make them pay for an MVP. If people won't pay for 10 rupees, they won't pay for 1,000 rupees. Reason number 2, and this one hit like a truck in the 2025, running out of money. Total startup funding in India dropped 70% of just $10.5 billion in 2025. Seeds funding fell 30% from $1.5 billion to $1.1 billion. Only 14 funding rounds crossed $100 million in 2024. It was 19. The era of growth at all cost is dead. Startups that were burning cash, assuming the next funding round was always coming, woke up one day with empty bank accounts and no investor at the door. Remember the discount wars, e-commerce and quick commerce startup giving 50 rupees cashback, free deliveries and flat 40% off. Spending 500 to acquire a customer worth 200. That's math never worked, and when the VC money stopped, game over. Rule of survival: know your runway to exact day. Build revenue from day one. Don't wait for Series B to make money. A great idea without a great team is just a PowerPoint. CB Insight data show 23% of startups fail because of team issue, co-founder fights, bad hires, and misleading goals. And it gets worse in India's context. In 2025, 80% of Indian employers report difficulty finding skilled talented, especially in AI, machine learning, and data science. Academic colleges are still teaching what the industry needed 5 years ago. Many Indian founders, especially first-generation entrepreneurs, have the hustle but lack the operational experience. They cannot delegate, cannot manage conflict, cannot build processes. A Harvard study shows a startup with 2 to 3 co-founders raised 30% more funding than solo founders. Flipkart did not succeed because of just Sachin Bansal. It was the team. Build with people who complement your weakness. So hire slow, fire fast, and retain the best. Here one reason nobody talk about enough. Regulation India ranked 63 out of 190 country in ease of doing business. GST compliance, labor law and data privacy laws and RBI guidelines. One legal mistake can freeze your account or shut you down overnight. India's largest crypto exchange was forced to shut down because of unclear regulatory policies, not because the product failed. The law did them in. Many startups, especially in fintech, healthcare, and edtech, skip legal groundwork to move fast and then get with compliance penalties they cannot survive. Invest in legal hygiene early, it's not optional. Okay, so India's startup story over? Absolutely not. The correction we are seeing, it is not a collapse, it's a cleansing. The weak business models are dying and that's healthy. The startups surviving today share three traits. They validate demand before building. They managed cash like it was the last money they had ever seen. They built for India's, not Silicon Valley's. The next wave of Indian unicorn will not be born from hype. They will be built by founders who understand unit economics, obsess over their customers, and build for long game. India had 867 startups shut down in 2021. We had 15,000 plus in 2023. That's not just failure. That's 15,000 experience teaching us exactly what not to do, and that is what build a world-class ecosystem. So if you are building a startup or thinking about it, save this video, share it with your co-founder because the data doesn't lie. But it also shows the way forward. If you found this valuable, smash that like button, subscribe for more data's backed startup insight every week, and drop a comment below. Tell me which of these 5 reasons surprised you the most. I will see you in the next one. Let's build smarter.